Hey guys, so got new snapbacks today. Got it from the mail. Cranium fitteds. Put this baby up. There it is. 2 snapbacks. Cranium fitted sticker. I think that's a sticker. I don't know if it's on. Inside here we got paperwork. Shows nothing but. So here's the hats. Miami Dolphins. First one that shows. It's nice. So let's open this. Okay, let's look at the first one. So we got Miami Dolphins. Dolphin on the side. Looks like a greenish brim. Green on the brim. 26. But on the site it's like $22. Check that out. A cream orange Miami with the outline, orange outline. Mitchell Ness. Snapback. Inside Mitchell Ness. The button. NFL vintage. Pretty dope hat. Next one. Los Angeles Lakers. Favorite team. In the back, Mitchell Ness snap. Just like my Blues one, but Lakers. It's really nice. Mitchell Ness. Button. Hardwood Classics. Also 26. Green on the brim. It's a really nice hat. So this is for both $44 with shipping included. So thanks for watching.